Okay guys, welcome to the Potato Olympics diving. Here we can see my potato, Mr. Mash, he's about to go in. Now basically what we're doing here guys is we're going to find out how many cubic centimetres, so how many little MABs, how many of those actually make up this potato. And we can do that by displacing this water. So very basically, once I dip my potato in, if the water goes up, say, from 1,000, I've got it set there at 1,000. If it goes up to 1,250 there, then the difference there is 250 mils. Now, that means my potato takes up 250 cubic centimetres of space because 1 mil is 1 cubic centimetre. Okay, so let's see how. So I reckon he's gone just past 1250 there. Might be up to, I have to double check, but about 1300. So I'm going to say my potato displaced the water 300 mils. I'm just going to do that again so you can see it go up. So just past 250, I'm going to say about 300 mils the water went up there, so it went up from 1,000 up to where 1,300 would be, 1,300. So he's a pretty big spud. That's one way to do it. Here's another way. Okay guys, here's another way. It's a bit messier and a bit more fun. If you don't have a big container that measures mils, you might have a smaller container that measures millilitres, like say one of these ones here that goes up to about 250. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I've filled this plastic cup right to the brim. Okay, and I've done that once it's inside another empty container, this bowl. So this time my potato is going to displace the water. It's going to all spill out into the bowl. Then I'm going to tip what goes in the bowl into my measuring jug, which is a bit smaller, okay? So this is another way you can do it. Let's see how much. Goes out. Make sure your spud gets all the way down. All right, so it's stopped pushing water over the edge now. And I can pull him out and go get a little spud towel. Drip, drip, drip. Righto. So now I'm going to take out the first container. Okay, we can see how much he moved out. That's gone into the bowl there. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to tip what's left in the bowl here, which you probably can't see from that angle. I'm going to tip it into my millilitres jug here, my cooking jug. Let's see, it should get up to about 300. It might not be about the same because we probably lost a little bit with drips, but it's going to be pretty close. If I can hold that up there, you can see, yeah, it's gone past 250. So probably my first measuring of 300 was fairly accurate for that spud, okay? It's not precise, it's not exact, but it's a good way to work out roughly how many cubic centimetres your potato is. Splash.